Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see another question on residues theorem. It says evaluate dz z to the power of n plus 1 where n is integer, which is non-negative integer also you can say. The possibilities are 1, 2, 3 and so on around any contour containing origin. Around any contour containing origin. So this question is dz by z n plus 1, and this n is taking 1, 2, 3 and so on other values. So can we see that this function is actually f of z is actually 1 by z to the power of n plus 1, and we can say it has poles of n plus 1 order at z equal to 0. Correct? This denominator has z equal to n plus 1, so this z equal to 0 will be treated as the pole, and the order of the pole is n plus 1, and obviously we have a contour which has origin, so it can be let's say it is a circle centered at the origin with some radius r, or with some radius, let's say k. So this circle with radius k centered at origin will always contain z equal to 0. So let's say we are talking about this curve, just for an example. It doesn't have to be a proper circle, but it has to contain the origin. That is more important. So as per the residue theorems for n plus 1 order pole at z equal to 0, we have the residue at f equal to a is equal to 1 by n minus, now that this is n plus 1, so I'm writing, let's write the general formula for nth order pole. This is n minus 1 factorial dn minus 1 dz n minus 1 z minus a to the power of n into f of z for z tends to a. This is the general formula we have written for the nth order pole at z equal to a. Yes. So in this case, this z equal to a is z equal to 0, and nth pole we have as n plus 1 pole, right? So in that case, so in this case we have the pole a equal to 0 and order as n plus 1. So the residue f0 will be given as 1 by n plus 1 minus 1, so this becomes 1 by n factorial, and z tends to 0 for d nth dzn z, so it is z minus 0, so I'll directly write it as z, so z to the power of n, so this n plus 1 into the function is 1 by z n plus 1, this, so this will get cancelled, and overall we will be left with only a constant value 1, right? And nth derivative of 1 is going to be 0, so 1 by n factorial of 0 will be 0, and in that case the integration of this function, this was 1 by zn plus 1 dz for the curve C is going to be 2 pi I times of the residue. This is the residue at 0, so into 0, which will be 0. So in that case we are going to get the value 0. We can also solve this equation using Cauchy's integral formula. You must try.